Hi class, this is me Zoe again. I have a very interesting question from SAT test. What is the value of A? What is A? The problem gives you 3 points on this coordinate system. Origin to A is missing. A is, this is Y value of this point. This is x. And the other one is 10, 0. X is 10 and y value is 0. Okay. We are looking for find A. Okay. Usually we know that this is right triangle because the problem gives you, and we know that. Okay. And before we use Pythagorean theorem as is the hypotenuse squared is equal to sum of the square root of this one. But we have a formula for finding the distance of 2 points on a coordinate system. When you have coordinate of 2 points, we can use this one. The distance of 2 points is rad. The differences of 2 points, x's, doesn't matter which one is x2, which one is x1, and y2 minus y1 squared. This is the formula for a distance of 2 points. Okay, if we find this point with help of these two, this line and this side with help of this one, this side from these 2 points and this side from these 2 points, we can use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, now what if we call, for example, this line or this side A, not A, sorry, D1, this is D2, this is D3. D3 squared is equal to D1 squared plus D2 squared. But what is D1? D1. What is D1? D1 is between these 2 points, okay? If you say this one is 2, this is 1, okay. What is difference of x's? 2 minus 0 squared. Y's, a minus 0 squared. Just be careful. If you use this one first, x, use this one first. Okay. How about D2? D2 is this, between 2a and 10. Okay, this minus this one gets 10 minus 2 squared plus 0 minus a squared, right? D3 is here, right? Are you with me? 10 and 0, 10 first. 10 minus 0 squared plus 0 minus 0 squared. Okay, how much is gonna be? Okay, the 2 minus 0, 2 squared plus a squared. 2 squared, 4 squared, 4 plus a squared, right? This is D1. How about D2? D2 is 10 squared plus a negative a squared is a squared. 10 squared plus a squared, yeah? Right? Actually, it is 10 minus 2, sorry, 8 squared. 8 squared is, gets 64. 10 minus 2 gets 8. 8 squared gets 64. Okay. How about last one? 10 minus 0 here is 10 squared gets this one, 100 plus the 0. Okay, nothing. According to Pythagorean theorem, this one, D3 squared is equal to D1 squared plus D2 squared, yes? Because this is hypotenuse, the longest side. Okay, what can we do? We can write D3 squared, D1 squared plus D2 squared. How much is gonna be? the implies this one squared. Okay, this is square root of 100 gets 1 squared. 2, 3, sorry. This is 10 actually, right? Okay, but here is squared, we can write this one 100. Okay, because it gets 10. Okay, 10 is equal, 100 is equal to d1 squared. d1 squared 4 plus a squared. Everything squared. Plus d2 squared. 64 plus 82 squared. But squared. Okay, we know that this is squared and this square root just cancel each other. This one cancel with this one because this is 2, and implies that 100 is equal to 4 plus a squared plus 64 plus a squared. 100 equals to 4 plus 64, this is 68 plus a squared 2a squared, right? Minus 68 both sides, this cancel, and I can continue here. 100 minus 68 gets 32 is equal to 2a squared. Divide by coefficient of a squared gets 2. This cancel. It's 16 equals to a squared. What is a? Take square root of both sides. A is equal to plus minus 4, yes? Plus minus 4, but this here is not minus, this is plus. This one is plus because we know that it must be here. So A is plus 4, right? Okay, hope you like this one, but I could solve this problem with very easier way. How? Without using this one, I can say, for example, call this maybe n, here m, and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, my way is this, because I know that the x is 2 here, okay? And this one is, how about this one? Because this is a right triangle. And the other one is right triangle too. This one and this one. This is 10, okay, the rest of this one is 8. Okay, and this one is A. The height is A. From this right triangle, I can say A squared. A squared is n squared is equal to a squared plus 4. Yes? How about the other one? Other one we can say m squared is equal to 8 squared plus a squared. And this one, this is from these two triangles. But how about the big triangle like this? We can say n squared, this one, everything squared is 10 squared is n squared plus m squared. This is a big one because this is 10 hypotenuse, n squared plus m squared gets 10 squared. Okay, but we have n squared is this, m squared from this to small right triangles. Okay, just we can simplify this. N squared is 100 is n squared is m squared is this 100 minus 4 minus 68 2a squared. We do the same things. 32 equal to 2a squared and divide by 2. This is 16 equals to a squared. A equals to 4. We don't use the negative 4 because a can be plus minus 4, but because we know that this, because the problem gives this graph, that's why we use the formula. Okay, hope you like this question, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you think my work is useful for you and for other students. And see you later. Good luck. Bye.